Welcome to our interior. We've just completed another unit in Godrej United. It's a 2.5 bed. A simple shoe rack with seating area at the entrance. We have a simple study unit. And we have this modular kitchen with matte finish and wood finish combination. We have countertop in nano white, and we have a simple carousel sink which is installed. All the drawers, everything used in this kitchen is eco. In this living area, we have a very simple TV unit. And we have a simple vanity which is in matte finish in this common bathroom. We also have a 4-door wardrobe in the master, and then we have a wood finish vanity, simple dressing unit. This is a second room, and we have a 4-door wardrobe with dressing unit, mirror and storage behind the mirror, and with 2 drawers.